One of the most beautiful drives in America, but don't try pulling over to take it all in. Scenic overlooks along the GW Parkway are closed due to the government shutdown.
I don't really understand why any of these parks are closed or memorials are closed.
The Parkway land falls under National Park Service jurisdiction, which means this land is subject to the same restrictions as the other 400 parks and monuments now closed. According to a spokeswoman, NPS lacks an appropriation. This means they do not have the ability to maintain these areas, collect trash, make sure road debris is swept, etc.
Oh, that's what we've heard, that everything is kind of blocked off, and it's very disappointing.
Barricades all over the district have frustration building. At the World War II Memorial, a group of elderly veterans broke through anyway.
That's terrible. I mean, it's terrible. This is not the United States I've fought for.
A few blocks away on the National Mall, another barricade is raising eyebrows, this time because people either miss it or ignore it altogether.
It does seem odd, definitely, but a lot of people seem to be walking past these signs, so it's even more odd.
We actually were thinking it's kind of a joke that says the site is closed.
Dana Coy is from Massachusetts, his brother Dara is from Florida. D.C. seemed like the perfect place to meet in the middle. Maybe Congress could take a lesson.
I'm seeing the sign that says that this mall is closed. But this is our park. This is, it doesn't cost anything to keep it open, and I don't think anybody should be excluded from it.